we're back here with part 3 of this fun operation here. They give you a bunch of these stickers, and I'm guessing this allows you to connect things up to different, I don't know, all kinds of connectors. I guess you could place the camera on these things and then have multiple devices where you could lay this on, so you don't have to keep trying to stick things in different places. This is the recharging cable or the power cable. I have no idea if this is the instructions, but it looks cute. Yeah, I guess it is. We'll have to read that at some point. And this is the main thing. I don't even know how to take it off here. There's a sticker here, which I'm going to remove. And one more on this side, which I'm going to remove. I hope this thing doesn't just fall off. It wouldn't be the first time I completely screw something up like this. Come on. Oh, I guess you need to press these two buttons together to get it off here. I don't know. Can't do it. I'll figure it out in a different video. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Looking good. I'm going to have to wipe the lens. It looks a little bit dirty. But yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. See you soon.